Hello everyone, this is my first video, Harish and Shankar. Okay, I'm doing a video because my mother is in Kanye. Type on it to do a water video. Alright, first subscribe at the end, add some comments and click the like button and icon bell. Okay, first do the video, some toothpicks, some water bag and a container. Make sure you have adapt permission to do it. Okay. Alright, so make sure no nearby electric. Make sure no electric is nearby you. Alright, first take some. Did you color pen or pencil or toothpicks? One need a sealant bag. You know the one you press. Okay, I try now. Okay, 1, 2, 3. See, then leaking. Sorry, you need sealant bag. So the water will come out. See. So once I remove, the water will flow out.
In blue water when you go to the dumper is not
Can I show? See? Indoors more. See? Indoors more. So yeah, see? The water flow like this. You may make sure it's nearby the one. Okay, now here. So you can add more toothpicks and porky to make the water red. See? My brother is helping me to do it. Once you add, remove it. Once add some more. But make sure it's inside the water. Once you make a hole in the lid, you add the toothpick parts as you can. Okay? See, I'll show you inside. Now the water is going slow. Hey, do not press the back. Okay? No. Do not press the bag when you're doing the video, okay? So make sure no electronics nearby. Right? My brother, see? The bag's down there. See? Now you're removing the toothpicks. Okay. Now my brother will squeeze the water out. Put inside there. See? See how water? All these water are blue water. Alright? See this. See the water? My brother can go now throw it in the drain. Okay? If you like the video, subscribe. For your best bro, Harish Shankar. You watch the videos how to do it on Ryan's Rural. Okay? This is my first episode. More episodes will come soon. Tap Menakanya and look down below. Bye.